is happening, my Paris? What is happening, y'all? Beautiful Sunday evening to y'all. 17 minutes past 5 Jamaica time. And this is when I'm starting off the little in-house vlog. Nevertheless, we give thanks to the Lord for life and for strength. And I hope wherever you are, you're doing just that. Blessings, no stress. I just start off one little vlog. Husband wasn't so well, not feeling so well from man, still not well, and me felt, like attending to him and all them something and so on. So today, so far at 17, now going 18 minutes past 5, all I've done. But decided to okay, I'm going to look at fried rice, look at sweet and sour chicken. So look at this. I do look at fried rice already, and it there. If you're following me on Instagram, right, you will see it. And I've just done it for the camera. So if you want to see how this, it's a fresh vegetable fried rice. When I use a frozen vegetable knife. So if you want to see how we do it, we are going to leave the link. It should be on the channel. By the time you are seeing this video, it would be on the cooking channel. So you can check it out. So for drink, we have some iced tea brewing here. Yeah. And so me have one carrot cake in my toaster oven because my favorite carrot cake. It's my favorite cake. It's soon ready. That's where I am. I'm going to take out shortening and powdered sugar, icing sugar to be exact. I want to put a little frosting over it. But I am not sure what time it will be cool because it must be properly cool for me to frost it. Because me need a slice, a little sweet tooth bothering me. So, them little sweet tooth something. If you have them little sweet tooth something when it come, especially Sunday evening time, comment below. So this is where I'm at. So, me I go slap up the little sweet and sour chicken, and by the time that come out of the oven, and then me see you back again, man, before the day end. Couple hours leave, eh? So, Pari, I make a little progress in the late evening, yeah. 6:49 in the night. And guess what? Say normally we not eat them late time, but this Sunday we have to eat something. So, this is how we dinner look. For now that we have. So the carrot cake, we never get it cool enough. Forget to put a little for ice it round. But nevertheless, because I just feel for the carrot cake, I'm tell myself if I didn't have my dinner, I have to have my carrot cake. So this is all. Dad is not well, so dad dinner is not here. So me have a son some. This is a camera girl, this is me. And we're not eating a lot because it's late, and say normally when it's late enough to eat. Too heavy. If you even eat a little something, if you eat too much. So you have to give yourself time to make your food digest. And so we have a carrot cake and we have an iced tea right here. So this is what we have this evening, Sunday evening, because as I tell you before we started out well late. And I'm still glad, still thankful. What have you got? What have you got? I mean, know most of you have finished dinner already. So we look at vegetable fried rice and we look at it's a shortcut sweet and sour chicken because we will run late, so the shortcut sweet and sour. One day I'm going to show you how you do the shortcut sweet and sour chicken. All you housewives, you come in late, I'll show you how to do the shortcut sweet and sour chicken. Now we have a 3 slices of carrot cake. So how we're going to do it now, we're going to eat dinner and dessert in our one, eh? Dinner and dessert. We don't have the ice cream if we did have ice cream. So we're going to have a look of food and we look at something, and then when we're done, give yourself about 10 minutes and so we eat a slice of cake and drink the ice water. So, so we're not going to get to eat. We are so sorry, we apologize, but guess what? Next week, Sunday, God's willing, we are come back big and bold. I take you from the beginning with breakfast. We did some wraps. We did vegetable and ackee and saltfish. Come on, girl, had vegetable wrap, and me and dad had ackee and saltfish. And if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see me put it up. But if you're not following me, at the end of this little vlog, not going to be a tall one, a big one, and a short little one. We're going to show you, drop in a picture or two what we had for breakfast. Because I don't know, so we like that, yeah? So if you still not follow me yet on Instagram, we are going to leave the link in the description of that video. You can follow, because sometimes it's not everything that I video for the cooking channel. It's not everything that I cook I video. Sometimes I cook other things and then I just post up on Instagram. So you might see things I post up when you see on the cooking channel, because those wraps are not on the cooking channel when I do that yet. what I promise. Okay, y'all? So we are gonna finish up, man. Get to bath. So you see we again. We are gonna get to bath and we just, we don't know, we just wrap up a little thing, yeah? So guys, dinner is finished. Well, to be honest, I didn't have mine. But just eat a slice of cake and add some water. Cause how was dinner, camera girl?
Dinner was good.
She eat her fare, stuff it down her belly and say, oh mom, dinner was up. So what I did, I have to pack her lunch for go school. I pack most time I pack her lunch. So you know what that me just them say I'm not gonna be in the mood to make no cook no lunch for her in the morning. So what I'm gonna me just leave mine and we just reheat it and pack it because our lunch bag is this insulated bag. So I'm just gonna give her my dinner for lunch tomorrow because she want me to go back now for go do fried rice and sweet and sour chicken for lunch in the morning. And I'm tired, guys. So but I say so in her room with her. Because you know me and her like that and we are chill out. She just go get her hair done the front part. She decides so she'll go back natural. She steaming out all of the cream out her ear and she'll go back natural. So she just go get her ear partially done, cane row at the front, and tomorrow you ready for school tomorrow. Talk to the party them now.
Yeah, I'm ready for school.
Okay, so we're right here. We're gonna try to end the little vlog. It was really short and all of that, but nevertheless we come with something and we promise to go back to breakfast, dinner, and you know what happened? I want to sit down and do a little sit down video with you all to let you know what are our plans for 2018 for this Jamaican Debbie Debs. And we want to take you some places, man. But we are working on a camera, a vlogging camera, a very good vlogging camera. We're saving towards one very early. So as soon as we get that, we're going to launch out. We are going to broke out, broke out in a good way. So you know what happened? I want to say thanks to you who have been taking the time from over the main channel, coming on to over the Jamaican Debbie Debs, helping us to grow. Yes, we are at 100 and I think 45 or 46 subscribers. Kudos to you all. There could never be a us on YouTube without you guys. So we want to say thanks. You want to say thanks, camera girl?
Thank you everyone for all your support and all your help for letting us reach this.
There could never be a us and us on YouTube, neither from on the cooking channel or over on the Jamaican Debbie Debs. So guys, we just want to say thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate you. And I can't say me tired, you know. And I love you so much. Great things to come, man, for the Jamaican Debbie Debs. And you know what happened? Send me all your dinner, man. Send me some food. Because like, I have to give camera girl my food fair, my dinner fair lunch tomorrow. You don't know I'm hungry. Send me up some food, guys. Send me up some food. You know? And you know what I want to ask you guys? I have seen where you Americans, where you do grits. I don't understand what it is. I don't know it. Can it be made from scratch? Homemade grits? Can somebody in here you send me the information how I can do it, what I use? I need to know. So any of y'all out there watching this little vloggy video thing and help me forget to fix that dish, grits. I don't know what it is. Tell me definitely what it is, what it is made of, and how I prepare it. Okay, so we are about to close out for now. We still not come back with the we still never prepare any question of the vlog and Jamaican proverb, but we're coming back with that. We're coming back. We're getting things organized and we're coming back. So nevertheless, so we're gonna close out for now from where we are in our little Jamaican home to where you at. It's love, peace, happiness, joy, and remember this: never let the evil around you take control of you. You know what you're to do? Stay up on top of things, man. So we'll see you when we see you again and we get this Debbie Debs train rolling once more. Wanna say bye?